我哋而家需要採取行動。
We need to take action now.
佢好積極幫助別人。
She is very active in helping others.
呢個消息會增加我哋嘅擔心。
This news will add to our worries.
呢啲數字加埋對唔上。
The numbers don't add up.
總共加埋係100蚊。
The total cost adds up to $100.
佢好聰明，而且好勤力。
He is smart in addition. He works very hard.
除咗英文之外，佢仲識講中文。
In addition to English, she can speak Chinese.
我哋應該好好利用呢個機會。
We should take advantage of this opportunity.
醫生建議佢休息。
The doctor advised him to rest.
我建議休息一下。
I advise taking a break.